This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Month 1, Week 1, Getting Started with Sounds and Simple Words, Day 7, Writing Practice. Let's recall the sight words. Say it with me. Say the, is, on, in. Let us recall the vowel sounds. Say the words with me. Say bat, hen, kin. Dear parent, we are going to dictate the following sentences to your child so they can write them down. Here's how we'll do it. First reading. I will read the whole sentence aloud so your child can listen. Second reading. I will say the sentence word by word so your child can start writing. However, in this stage, if your child shows much difficulty, you can pause. Third reading. I will read the entire sentence again so your child can review and check their work. At the end, don't forget to praise your child or give them a sticker for their effort. This helps build confidence and makes the learning fun. Good luck! Let's begin. Pat has a bat. 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 Next sentence. The pig is on the pit. 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 Next, Sam can sit on the mat. 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 Next sentence. Ted has a pin in the bin. 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 Last sentence. Tim sat on a big bed. 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 Congratulations, kids! You finished a week's worth of lessons. Keep practicing these words and sentences, and soon you'll be a super reader. See you tomorrow to start week 2. We'll have new words to read and write together. This is Teacher Janelle, and ta-ta for now!